Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a word that's fundamental to understanding the world around us. Change. Change is an A1 level noun that signifies the act of becoming different. It's a word we use constantly, whether we're talking about the weather, our moods, or global events. So, what exactly does change mean? Well, at its core, it refers to the process or result of something becoming different. It's the alteration of something from one state to another. Think about the seasons. The change from summer to autumn brings cooler temperatures and colorful leaves. Or consider personal growth. We all experience change as we learn and develop. Now, let's explore some synonyms for change. One common synonym is alteration. For example, the tailor made an alteration to the dress to ensure a perfect fit. Another synonym is modification. We might say, the software update requires a modification to your current settings. A third synonym is variation. Consider this sentence. There is significant variation in temperature throughout the day. We can also use transformation. The caterpillar underwent a remarkable transformation into a butterfly. Lastly, another synonym to use is shift. There has been a shift in public opinion on the matter. Shifting gears, let's look at antonyms, words that have opposite meanings to change. One antonym is stability. The country needs stability after years of unrest. Another contrasting word is constancy. Her constancy and dedication to the job were remarkable. We also have permanence. The artist sought permanence for his work by using durable materials. Think about sameness, which indicates a lack of change. The sameness of his routine made him feel bored. And finally, we have immutability, suggesting something that cannot be changed. The immutability of the law was a topic of debate. So, how can we use change in everyday life? Well, think about small talk. You might say, the weather has been so unpredictable lately, it's been a real change from last week. Or, if you're talking about a friend, you could say, she's made a lot of positive changes in her life recently. You can also use the word when talking about money. I need change for the vending machine. You can say phrases like, a change of scenery is always welcome, or I hope for a change in the political climate. Here are some example sentences. We need to embrace change to move forward. The change in her attitude was noticeable. The company implemented several changes to improve efficiency. Adapting to change is a key skill in today's world. The only constant is change. Another example, the seasons bring about a beautiful change in the landscape. The government announced tax changes. I'm ready for a change of pace. She needed a change of clothes after the accident. Making small changes can lead to big results. Technology is constantly driving change. To quickly summarize change, an A1 level noun signifies the act of becoming different. We explored synonyms like alteration, modification, variation, transformation, and shift. We also looked at antonyms such as stability, constancy, permanence, sameness, and immutability. We also reviewed how change is used in various contexts, from daily conversations to more complex discussions. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show and continue their English learning journey. And now for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word change and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.